to introduce the concept of consistency in parallel distributed computing systems. In such systems, multiple processors or nodes work simultaneously and often share data. Consistency ensures that all these nodes observe the same data values even when operations occur concurrently. Without consistency, different nodes may see outdated or conflicting information. This can result in incorrect computations and unreliable system behavior. Therefore, consistency plays a crucial role in maintaining correctness in distributed environments. This topic helps us understand how data reliability is preserved despite parallel execution. In this presentation, we will explore different consistency models used in distributed systems. Consistency means that all processes see the same data values in a system, even when operations happen in parallel or on different machines. In parallel and distributed systems, many processors' nodes work at the same time. They often share data, memory, files, databases. Without consistency, different nodes may see different or outdated values, leading to incorrect results. In distributed systems, consistency models define how updates are propagated across nodes. They specify the rules for when and how changes become visible to users. Different applications require different levels of consistency. Some systems demand strict correctness, while others prioritize performance and availability. Consistency models help balance these trade-offs. They guide system designers in choosing the appropriate synchronization strategy. Without a defined model, system behavior becomes unpredictable. Therefore, consistency models are a core concept in distributed computing. Types of consistency: strong consistency, sequential consistency model, causal consistency model, weak consistency model, session consistency, monotonic reads and writes. In a strongly consistent system, all nodes in the system agree on the order in which operations occurred. Reads will always return the most recent version of the data. When an update occurs on one server, this model makes sure every other server in the system reflects this change immediately. This model provides the highest level of consistency, but it can be slower and require more resources in a distributed environment since all servers must stay perfectly in sync. Sequential consistency model. It is a consistency model in distributed systems that ensures all operations across processes appear in a single, unified order. In this model, every read and write operation from any process appears to happen in sequence, regardless of where it occurs in the system. Importantly, all processes observe this same sequence of operations, maintaining a sense of consistency and order across the system. Causal consistency model. The causal consistency model is a type of consistency in distributed systems that ensures that related events happen in a logical order. In simpler terms, if two operations are causally related, like one action causing another, the system will make sure they are seen in that order by all users. However, if there's no clear relationship between two operations, the system doesn't enforce an order, meaning different users might see the operations in different sequences. Weak consistency model. A weakly consistent system provides no guarantees about the ordering of operations or the state of the data at any given time. Clients may see different versions of the data depending on which node they connect to. This model provides the highest availability and scalability, but at the cost of consistency. Session consistency. Session consistency guarantees that all of the data and actions a user engages with within a single session remain consistent. Consider it similar to online shopping. Session consistency ensures that an item will always be in your cart until you check out or log out, regardless of how you explore the page. In a distributed system, this means if you're interacting with different servers or services, you'll always get the same view of your data during your session. It might not reflect the most recent updates from other users, but for your own actions, it will remain consistent and reliable. Session consistency ensures that within a user's session, updates are seen in a consistent and predictable order. It guarantees read your writes and monotonic reads, so users always see their own changes without going backward. This model improves performance and availability and is widely used in web and cloud applications, though the guarantees apply only within a session, not across all users. Monotonic reads and writes. Once a piece of data has been read or written, monotonic reads and writes guarantee that the data will always be viewed in a predictable and consistent order in subsequent reads or writes. Monotonic reads: if you read a value from a system, the next time you read it, you will either get the same value or a more recent one. You won't get an older value after seeing a newer one. Monotonic writes: this ensures that once a write happens, all future writes will follow in the correct order. If you update a record or send a message, the system guarantees that it won't reverse the order of your updates.